For the beginning, I would like to say this video is not giving you the full information about Python, only basic things to program on this language. If you want to get more information, ask about that in comments. Okay, what's up boys? Today we're gonna be talking about basic things in Python. Let us start! One of the basic things is that you can use Python as calculator, because it allows us to use a simple arithmetic operations. But the question is, where should I save it? Python allows us to use variables. We can also use in Python arrays that helps us save multiple values. And from which you can grab values using square brackets and write again their index of element. By the way, indexing in Python of arrays starting from 0. In Python you can use one thing that contains k and his value. It calls in Python dictionary. Finally we have sets. This is the same as an array, but it doesn't have any order or repeating elements. Everything that repeats are skipping. Python also has boolean data types. This data types is divided on true and false. By the way, this type helps us use conditions. As you can see, Python returns us true because 10 is really equal to 10. You can also use loops in Python such as for loop and while loop. So we have a list here called array, and we can loop over every item in a list using for loop. For loops also can run with numbers, where a k prints values from 0 to 9. With while cycle we can do the same thing. For example, you can count for digits some number. If something goes wrong in your program, Python also have an exception. Python also let us create a functions. If you want to run some code multiple times, you have to create a function. By object-oriented programming way, you can create object of some abstract class. You can inherit classes like this way. If you want to hide your information, you have to use encapsulation rules. If you want to define the values of each functions of inheritance classes, you have to do it this way. At this point I'm done. After this episode you will see the code, which will contain everything we wrote at this lesson. I wish everybody good luck on computer science education. My name is Stark and goodbye everybody.